Hey everyone, welcome Bluetrack product unboxing. Today, we're unboxing two incredible products from Axis, the P5635-E PTZ Camera and the S2216 Station. Let's dive right in. Let's start with the Axis P5635-E PTZ Camera. This is a high-performance, reliable surveillance camera with excellent pan, tilt, and zoom capabilities. As we open the box, the first thing we see is the user manual, neatly placed on top. Let's take a closer look at what else is in the box. We have the mounting bracket and an Ethernet cable. Here's the camera itself. It feels robust and well built, as expected from Axis. Everything you need to get started is right here. The P5635-E comes with 30x optical zoom, HDTV 1080p resolution, and built-in IR illumination for low light conditions. Next up, we have the Axis S2216 Station, designed to complement our PTZ camera perfectly. Inside the box, we find the station itself, along with all the necessary cables and installation accessories. The S2216 Station includes the main unit, power cable, Ethernet cables, and a quick start guide. Axis ensures you have everything needed for a smooth installation. The S2216 Station is a recording solution with 16 channels, ensuring all your footage is securely stored and easily accessible. And there you have it, the Axis P5635-E PTZ Camera and the S2216 Station. Both are designed to deliver top-notch surveillance performance right out of the box. Thanks for watching.